Apple has long been known for producing high-end smartphones that set the standard in the industry. With the release of the Apple iPhone 16 Pro in September 2024, the tech giant once again raises the bar for mobile devices. This latest addition to the iPhone lineup boasts cutting-edge features and top-of-the-line specifications that make it a standout choice for tech enthusiasts and smartphone connoisseurs alike. The iPhone 16 Pro introduces a suite of new features and improvements, focusing on enhanced camera capabilities, display quality, processing power, and durability. These devices are available in 4 stunning colors, including a striking new desert titanium that adds a unique and premium aesthetic to the lineup. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro sports a sleek and sophisticated design that is both elegant and functional. The device features a stunning 6.3 inches OLED display with 206 by 12 pixel resolution at 460 ppi and a brightness of 1000 nits, providing users with crisp, vibrant visuals. The screen also boasts a contrast ratio of 2001 and supports HDR10, ensuring an immersive viewing experience. In terms of audio, the iPhone 16 Pro comes equipped with stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos technology, delivering rich, dynamic sound quality. Additionally, the device features a noise cancellation microphone that helps to reduce ambient noise during calls and recordings. When it comes to materials, the iPhone 16 Pro is built to last. The device is crafted from Corning Gorilla Glass, and titanium, making it both durable and premium in feel. The phone's usable surface covers an impressive 90.4% of the front panel, providing users with a seamless and expansive display. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro is powered by the Apple A18 Pro processor, built on a 3nm architecture. This cutting-edge chipset delivers lightning-fast performance and efficient power consumption, ensuring smooth multitasking and seamless operation. The phone is paired with 8 GB of RAM, LPDDR5X, providing ample memory for demanding tasks and applications. In terms of storage, the iPhone 16 Pro offers multiple options, including 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, and a whopping 1 TB of NVMe storage. This generous storage capacity allows users to store all their photos, videos, and apps without worrying about running out of space. Additionally, the device boasts an impressive Antutu score of 1947255, showcasing its raw processing power. To keep the phone running cool even during intense usage, the iPhone 16 Pro features a sophisticated cooling system that dissipates heat efficiently, ensuring optimal performance at all times. One of the standout features of the Apple iPhone 16 Pro is its quadruple camera setup, which offers unparalleled photography and videography capabilities. The phone's main camera is a 48-megapixel standard lens with an aperture of f1.78 and a pixel size of 1.220, ensuring clear and detailed shots in any lighting conditions. The device also features a wide-angle plus macro lens with 48-megapixel resolution and an aperture of f2.2, as well as a telephoto lens with 12-megapixel resolution and an aperture of f2.8. Additionally, the iPhone 16 Pro includes a TOF 3D sensor for depth sensing and enhanced AR experiences. On the front, the device sports a 12-megapixel selfie camera with an aperture of f1.9, allowing users to capture stunning self-portraits and video calls with ease. The phone's camera setup also includes optical stabilization, OIS, 4K video recording, ultra-wide capabilities, and a variety of advanced features such as night mode portraits enabled by LiDAR scanner and 4K Dolby Vision video recording. In terms of battery life, the Apple iPhone 16 Pro features a sizable 3,577 mAh battery that provides all-day usage on a single charge. The device also supports fast charging up to 25 watts, allowing users to quickly top up their battery when needed. For added convenience, the iPhone 16 Pro also offers wireless charging capabilities, making it easy to charge the device without the need for cables. Overall, the Apple iPhone 16 Pro is a powerhouse smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with premium design and materials. With its top-of-the-line specifications and advanced features, this device is sure to impress even the most discerning tech enthusiasts. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a multitasking pro, or a mobile gamer, The iPhone 16 Pro is a versatile and capable companion that will elevate your smartphone experience to new heights. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe